Heading out of Jetty Fishery today. Beautiful day so far. Got my buddy Tom and his daughter up front. It's supposed to be a bit windy today in the higher waves, but so far it looks pretty good. Minor reports of Chinook being caught up here, but we're gonna play it by ear and go for Coho. Start at 200, I think, and then hopefully get our limit at Coho, and then go get some bottom fish and come back in. So it all depends on what the wind and the waves are doing, so we'll see. 6:30 in the morning, a little bit later. All right, giddy up. Normal spot?
What's that?
I think we're good for you guys? Normal spot for Coho?
Yeah, do you think?
I'm good, yeah. Yeah, we'll just whatever you guys want to do. All right. Yeah, just channel 11, let me know. Here's my lure board of wonder. This is actually my river board. This is my ocean board, which we are in the ocean currently. My 16. And when I talked about my magic lure, this guy. This is my 3.0 spin fish. It's called a herring aid. Hammers fish, hammers them. You can see the teeth marks on the bottom. That's always a fantastic sign. I do have a river setup. This is my ocean setup. So the barbs are clipped on that one. So yeah. Oops, don't hook me. And then again, we're going to use our scented tuna blend in here with sardine, herring oil, and bloody garlic tuna, which is the ticket. That is the ticket. If anyone's curious, want to know what the ticket is, bloody garlic tuna. That's it. That's all you need. It's all I use in the river. Normally for fishing spinners in the ocean, that is all I use. Once again, it's a Pro Cure. Works awesome. All right, my 8,057 tangle is now untangled. It is one thing that's hard to avoid on these sleds. Get this guy unwrapped. Got a 28-inch leader on this to my Chrome panty dropper Shortbus, 24-inch Shortbus bumper to a 16-ounce lead directly off the splitter. So this has been getting it for us. So make sure you forget your gloves so you can have this scent on your hands for the rest of the day. It's really great. But it catches fish like insane, so I really don't care, because that's the name of the game here. So, all right, wash your hands off. Put my clicker on. All right, rod's thumping. Let's see what happens. It's a little bumpy, a little choppy today. Doesn't affect the fishing. So we got to find the fish. There's one other boat out here. He's farther out than I am. I saw a charter boat actually. I think it was coming out of Garibaldi that they looked like they're at 125. But I haven't been out in 2 weeks, so I don't know. We'll find out what's up and go from there. Holy smokes, you guys! And all the excitement, I didn't turn the camera on, and just put the first fish in the boat. Within 10 minutes, it's a pretty decent fish. On top of that, he politely stuck my hook all the way through from the bottom of my finger through my fingernail out the top. So yeah, that's fun, but luckily the barbs are clipped. Holy smokes. But you know what, it's a fish in the boat, so I will we're gonna hang on to this guy because he's a keeper. It's a nice coho. Already bonked him. Let's not have any more hook problems. I swear every day it's something new. You guys see that? Oh, he is. What is happening? Oh yeah, those hooks did their job at big time. Man, he was that was aggressive hit there. Yeah, buddy. Nice keeper coho. That's 5. That's 22 fish to the boat. 5 keepers out of that. Rough season so far. So now, trusty karambit, get in here, clip its gills, bleed them out real quick. Don't cut your hand. Don't drop them in the water. And there you go. Fish number 1 in the box. That's the plan for today. Ouch, ouch, ouch. The hole in my hand is it's not the best thing in the world. But I can take it. It's fine fish. Let me get all the scales and crap off the net. Oh, don't fall in the ocean. That'd be super good. Okay. Magic lure comes through again. Yeah, buddy. So I've caught, I want to say, all of my keeper fish on this bad boy. Like I said, when I refer to my magic lure, this is what I'm talking about. So this is where experience comes in. I keep a spreadsheet, 100% of the date, what I used, where I fished, who I fished with, what the depth was, what the time was that I caught the fish and started. And this is why there's no other boats out here, and I just pull the fish in the boat. So yeah. Okay, just like that, nice and stuffed full of the good scenty stuff. And yeah, let's do that again. So we're out a ways here. We're out at 211 feet. I don't want to be out that far. Actually, let's spin around and go back through that real quick. Where I just picked up that fish at. Okay, take that back down to 28. Holy, oh, that felt weird too, wow. That almost felt like I got hit on the way down. But, nope. So you guys can see, I hope you can see. You know, the rod's thumping real nice like. Another fish on, guys, another fish on. Let's be a keeper. I can't see it. I think I didn't see a fin. It looks like it's chewed up. Keeper number 2, baby. Okay, let's get this fella in the boat. Sorry, man, I was busy pulling my second keeper in the boat, sucker. All right, let's get that clicker off. That is what I'm talking about. That's 2 fish, and I actually had another one on that was, it turned out to be a drive-by. Hey, calm down. Hey, all right, we're thumping you, boy. Watch your weight at all times. Okay. That's also a nice coho. Man, he's wrapped up my gear. Okay, coho number 2, and no fin right here, fin clipped. Got some scales it's leaving, and it's got the white gums. It's a decent little coho. It's about the sizes we're getting. I don't know, it's 5-6 pounds maybe. Awesome eater, that's all we care about. I'm gonna bleed him, get him in the box, and go find my buddy Tom and see what's up. Now we can go do some bottom fish, I think. Let's get this guy bled. Watch your fingers, because that's a sharp knife. All right. Bled fish number 2, done. All right, that's what we needed to do today. So let's not fall in the ocean for the second time of not falling in the ocean the first time. That's a nice quick day right there. Nice quick day. What a beautiful day as well. The sun's coming out. Okay, now you can relax. Oof. There we go. I have these lines, these guy lines, I guess you could call them. I'm not sure. Chaser lines. Everything I have, rod and reel wise, is attached to one of those. When you're coming out, you know, you take waves, jump waves, etc. I don't want to lose my gear. So yeah, the rod and reels, they're about 400 bucks a piece. And yeah, so we want to hang on to those. Hey, I might have been on the wrong channel, but I just put my second fish in the boat. Man, look at that. Fish have taken the color right off of there. They like this a lot. So since I didn't get a lot of fish film today, and I'm going to go over all this, but we tie up our own lures. So we're using Big River 2-aught hooks with mooching loops, basically, or mooching rigs, and then P-line. I don't know what the lengths of these are. I don't know, 2.5 inches maybe. So we'll do the hooks. We'll do a bead off of that. The P-line tails, another bead, and then the lure itself. And then we pack it obviously with the tuna blend. The tuna blend we use is I mentioned it, but it's tuna and oil, just any kind, doesn't matter. Sardine oil, herring oil, and garlic bloody tuna oil. That's my blend, and it has absolutely been crushing the coho. So that's fish number 23 that's in the boat, and 6 keepers now out of that. So 17 fish I've either had in the net or I've lost them at the boat. So yeah, that's kind of how things go sometimes. That's an excessively issue-laden or bad luck season. That's it's been something else, but yeah, we got fish, and that's all that matters. So again, I'm down in Central Oregon, so it's vital for me to maximize my smarts out here and what I'm doing to catch fish. You've got to clip the barbs for the ocean, but the river, remember, which for you, those of you that are beginners, oh my goodness, the Oregon regs and that, I threw fish back last year when I was at Wheeler that I didn't have to, because I thought, or a year and a half ago, whatever it was, I thought that was all part of the marine zone, because if you look on the regs at the maps, it's all the same. It is not. So pretty much the second you go into Nehalem Bay or Tillamook Bay, it becomes the northwest zone, which of course has different regulations. So I learned that very quickly. I tossed one fish back last year, a year and a half ago, I don't know what it was, and luckily I had a second fish on literally within 15 minutes, and I ended up keeping that one. So yeah, and then went from there. It went pretty well after that. So anyways, pay attention to the regs. If you don't know, I don't know, ask someone that's out fishing. People are usually cool, you know. This is your reef up here?
That's it, right here. It's up here.
Oh wow, that's way far up.
I am right on the spot and we caught as we drifted.
Yeah. Okay.
You got that south spot figured out, man.
Yes, I do. Are you using bait? Jesus, look at the fish under us right now. Ton. Oh, shit.
They should still be here. You would get bit down there.
Yeah. Right when you guys pulled up. But that's what happened last time too. Just the nibble stuff and it wasn't committed.
Right.
Yeah, there's a wad under me right now. I don't know if those are rocks or if something else.
Yeah, that was so weird, dude. So when we caught that keeper, we weren't even trolling.
That's so weird. All right, in our new spot here. Come on, fish, fish. Seriously, you got something on already?
Yeah, I'll throw you some tuna at this thing.
All right. Oh, I got something. I got something. Oh yeah, baby. Fish on, fish on.
This is the best.
It is. All right. They still like my squid. Oh, nice canary. It's a keeper canary. Heck yeah. They always love that squid, I tell you. All right. Keeper. Not bad. Yeah. See if we can do that again real quick. That was a nice canary. Yeah, not bad. Whoa. Hey, stay in the boat. All right, on the bottom again. Let's get another canary. Normally I bleed this fish and put it in the box first. Glad to see those squids still work.
Yeah.
Those canaries like that.
Oh, is that what you're using?
Yeah, my old squids from last year. All right, while we're waiting. Here's a nice canary. Beautiful, good eating fish. We're gonna bleed him right now while we're sitting here, waiting for his buddies. Carefully though, I might go in from the inside here. Ah. Hey. These guys are also quite tough. Where's my line? Okay. He's bled. Careful when you ride these, is ride the troughs. Always look around you. This isn't that bad, but it's still got to be careful. Actually, this isn't too bad at all. Both sides are a little chopped up. Fish for Chinook. It's mouth in Nehalem Bay.